Hello there, my name is Michael. Today I'm going to show you how to load a video on YouTube channel, basically on your channel. Please subscribe to my channel and make a comment. If you make a comment on my video, I will mention your name in my next video. Okay, let's go straight to it. First thing, we come to our Chrome, click on it, then we Google for YouTube. I've done that already. Then I click on YouTube. Okay, right now I'm signed into my channel on YouTube. If I wasn't signed on it, there'll be a sign up here, sign in here, or right here on top beside this black image, beside this logo. So to load a video on YouTube, come to this camera sign that has a plus in it, click it, go to upload, then we wait for it. Okay, then we click on select. Select will open. Immediately I click on select file, it will open this window. Now it's showing my desktop, but the video is not my desktop. I have to navigate to where the video is, which is in my videos up here. Then I'm gonna go through it for the one I want to load on YouTube. Okay, this one I'm going to load, so I'm going to click on it, then click on open. Okay, right now it's loading, but another page, yeah, it's going to open. This one's going to open. Now the name here, you're saying Telegram, that's the name that I named the video. So the name of the video is showing in the title. This is where you put your title. But I'm going to change this name, so let me come over here, written it here. Now this video is going to be called how to use Telegram. So I'm going to copy this, copy, then paste it into the title box, paste. The minimum amount of character that the title can take is 100. So right now I only use 19. Now we're at the description. In the description, you're meant to tell the audience, your viewers, what the video is about. Like, gonna give them, okay, I spoke about the topics you spoke about. Just give them an interesting view of the video. So I've already gotten something already, then write it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna put into my description. Copy and paste. You can also put hashtag in your description, and the hashtag Telegram, hashtag how to use Telegram, or hashtag Telegram tutorials. If you look down here, the video is still loading. See, uploading 54% down here. So let's move on. Once the video is done loading, part of the video will show here in these three boxes. If I don't like what I see, I could just click on this and put another image as the cover or as my thumbnail for my video. Thumbnail from the video. Okay, now I'm going to pick, okay, this video is talking about Telegram, and I've created a list to organize my videos, like my Telegram videos, my WhatsApp video, my database video are all in different playlists. So this video is gonna go on the useful apps. If you've not created your playlist, if you look down here, it says new playlist. If you click on it, you can write the title of your playlist. Then you can either decide if you want it to be public or private. Just click this arrow here and see private, unlisted, public. We want our one to be public so that people can view it. So leave it on public. So I'm just going to cancel this. I'm not creating a new playlist. So right now this video is going to go under useful apps. So done. YouTube is very specific on the type of content that people load on it. Like it says, is this video made for kids? If this video was made for kids and children can watch it, I'll click yes. And if it was not made for kids, I'm gonna click no, it's not made for kids. But the topic of this video is how to use Telegram. So basically it's not just for kids but adults, so I'm gonna go with no, not made for kids. Then I'm gonna come down here to this arrow facing down, click on it to give me additional option. It says no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Then it says yes, restrict my videos to viewers over 18. So clicking here, say no, don't restrict my video to viewers of over 18 only. It means that younger people can also watch my videos, not just adults. And side, my content is friendly. So if you have a paid ad in your video, you click on this, but we don't. Now we're gonna come to the tags. The tags are very important. This is how your videos will be discovered by more people. So I'm using vidiq. So that's why I have this option down here. There's two body. Okay, this is the tag. The tag is very important. It says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tag play a minimum role in helping viewers find your videos. But it's always good to have a strong tag, so that you can be discovered, your videos can be discovered. So I'm using vidiq. So that's why I have this suggestion by vidiq. So I'm gonna click here. So vidiq is telling me that Telegram app has been searched on the search for 56.4 times. I mean, these are like common words that people use to search for Telegram. Even this, so I can see the same way. Click. Then I also have my tag. So I'm gonna copy this. Then put it here. Paste. Now, the minimum amount of tags that can be written is 500. If my tags are more than 500, this box will become red and I won't be able to move on from here. Okay, so we have language, English, recording, date and location, license and distribution. Just use a standard YouTube license. Then your video, what is your video about? Category, this is science and technology, how to style, entertainment, sports, pets and animals. I'm gonna put it into education. It's more like a tutorial on how to use Telegram, so choose education. Then comment visibility, allow all comments. So I can either choose allow all comments, hold potential inappropriate comment for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. But for now I'm gonna just allow all comments. If you want, you can restrict the comments. Then I'm gonna go back up here to my thumbnail. Okay, so this is what I have. I don't like this thumbnail what is showing now, so I'm going to change it later. So let's just continue. Next. Okay, so right now I'm on video elements. Oh, I can see I can't use this add an end screen. It says use cards and end screen to show viewers related videos, our website and call to action. So right now I can't use this, but I can use add cards. So let me just come here. So right now I'm going to be like suggesting other videos that people can watch instead of watching this current video. So I'm going to click pick. Choose this. Then I can custom message is optional. Just giving more information or telling them to take an action, as I can put here, and a teaser, maybe just describing more information or telling them what's the next videos information they can get from it. That's what I'm gonna put here. But for me, I'm just gonna just put subscribe. So I have link to my Chrome. So in case I misspelled anything, it will allow me, it will tell me so that I can make a correction. So I'm just gonna leave it like this without putting in here. Then I'm gonna come down here. Usually this blue thing would have been back here, but I don't want it back there. I want it to be here, so that when they're watching to the video, they get to see the other video which I'm also inviting them to watch. Introducing. Okay, this is very new to YouTube. I'm just seeing it for the first time. Wow. Okay, it says introducing checks. Before you publish, we will check your video for any copyright issues and help you resolve them. Okay, and we will check your videos when okay, because no issues found, so I'm cleared. I can move on. Okay, so right now I can either put my video on private, unlisted, or public, then I can also premiere it. I can premiere the videos, alerting all my subscribers to be aware that I've uploaded a new video. But right now I'm gonna go with public, then I'll premiere it. This is also, I can schedule a day. Maybe I don't want to load the video immediately, maybe I want to load it next Monday or tomorrow. I can click here. This is the day, the month, the day, and the year, and time. Here's the time. Just click it. So you can choose any day, any month or day you want to load the video. Then the time, you can also click it. Then I can also set as premiere. But I'm not gonna do that, so what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to come back here and click save or publish. Then I'm going to put it on public, then set it as instant premiere. I like it that way so people will be aware. So right now, immediately I click publish, the video will go live. Okay. Okay, so the video has been posted to my YouTube channel. Now I can share it on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and everything. Or just click here to copy the link, and I can share it maybe to WhatsApp or Telegram or send it to a friend. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. So if you're wondering how, okay, I'm gonna go to dashboard. So you can see the video right now. It says premiere. I'm gonna click on it so that I see how it looks when it's premiering. Okay. So as I was telling you, I created different playlists. So this is my WhatsApp stuff playlist, which all the videos there about WhatsApp, my database, all about database, and useful stuff. This is where my Telegram video is, and my laptop Windows stuff. So I'm gonna come here, click this button so you can see. So I'm gonna click on it so you can see how it looks when it's premiering. So if you look on there, you can see the name, how to use Telegram, in progress, started 1 minute. This is how it looks when it's premiering. Without the countdown. Once it's done premiering, the video will show. So people can now see that, so that people can leave comments if they want to.
Hello there, my name is Michael.
Now this is a real video.
I'm going to be telling you about Telegram, the features it has in the chat, how to send
this is the comment where
the
you can
emoji, and how to send a silent message.